Welcome, everyone. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of financial success? Do you want to discover powerful ways to boost your income and secure your financial future? Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that can transform your life: 5 incredible ways to make money. But before we jump in, let's take a moment to understand what money really is. At its core, money is simply a medium of exchange for goods and services. It's a tool that allows us to trade value with one another, making our lives easier and more comfortable. Now that we have that clear, let's explore how you can start generating more of it. In this video, we'll be covering 5 proven methods to increase your income. 1. Getting a job. 2. Starting a business. 3. Investing wisely. 4. Freelancing your skills. And 5. Renting out property. Each of these strategies has the potential to significantly boost your financial well-being, so let's dive in and explore them in detail. 1. Getting a job is perhaps the most traditional and straightforward way to make money. It involves exchanging your time, skills, and expertise for a regular paycheck. When you work for an employer, you're essentially selling your labor in return for compensation. This can provide a stable income stream and often comes with additional benefits like health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off. For example, you might find employment as a teacher, shaping young minds and making a difference in your community while earning a steady income. Or perhaps you could work as a software developer, creating innovative solutions for businesses and individuals. The key to success in any job is to continuously improve your skills, take on new challenges, and seek opportunities for advancement within your organization or industry. 2. Starting a business is an exciting way to create wealth and build something truly your own. When you start a business, you're essentially creating a system that generates value for others and, in turn, produces income for you. This could be a product-based business, like launching a line of eco-friendly cleaning products, or a service-based venture, such as opening a pet grooming salon. The beauty of entrepreneurship is that it allows you to leverage your passions and skills to solve problems and meet needs in the marketplace. For instance, if you're passionate about fitness, you could start a personal training business or develop a revolutionary fitness app. The possibilities are endless. While starting a business often requires more upfront investment and risk than getting a job, it also has the potential for greater rewards and personal fulfillment. 3. Investing wisely is a powerful way to make your money work for you. When you invest, you're essentially putting your money into assets that have the potential to grow in value over time. This could include stocks, bonds, real estate, or even cryptocurrencies. The key to successful investing is to educate yourself, diversify your portfolio, and think long-term. For example, you might choose to invest in a mix of low-cost index funds that track the overall stock market, providing you with broad exposure to economic growth. Or you could invest in rental properties, generating passive income through rent while potentially benefiting from property value appreciation. Remember, investing always carries some level of risk, so it's important to do your research and consider seeking advice from financial professionals. 4. Freelancing your skills is an increasingly popular way to make money in today's digital age. As a freelancer, you offer your specialized skills and services directly to clients on a project-by-project basis. This approach allows you to leverage your expertise while enjoying the flexibility of being your own boss. For instance, if you're a talented writer, you could offer content creation services to businesses and publications. Or if you're skilled in graphic design, you might create logos and branding materials for startups and small businesses. The key to success in freelancing is to identify your unique strengths, build a strong portfolio, and continuously network to find new clients and opportunities. 5. Renting out property is another excellent way to generate income, especially if you have space or assets that you're not fully utilizing. This could involve renting out a spare room in your home, leasing a vacation property, or even renting out equipment or vehicles you own. For example, you might choose to list a spare bedroom on a platform like Airbnb, providing short-term accommodations to travelers and earning extra income in the process. Or perhaps you own a parking space in a busy urban area that you don't use during the day. You could rent it out to commuters looking for convenient parking. The beauty of this approach is that it allows you to monetize assets you already own, creating additional income streams with relatively little extra effort. As we wrap up our exploration of these 5 fantastic ways to make money, it's important to remember that financial success is within your reach. Money, at its core, is simply a tool for exchanging value. By focusing on creating value for others, whether through a job, a business, investments, freelancing, or renting out property, you can unlock incredible opportunities for financial growth. The key is to approach money-making with creativity, persistence, and a willingness to learn. Each of the methods we've discussed today has its own unique advantages and challenges, and the best approach for you will depend on your individual skills, interests, and circumstances. Remember, making money doesn't have to be a struggle. With the right mindset and strategies, it can be an exciting and rewarding journey. So why not take that first step today? Whether it's updating your resume, brainstorming business ideas, or researching investment opportunities, every action you take brings you closer to your financial goals. Embrace the possibilities, stay curious, and keep pushing forward. Your financial future is bright, and the power to shape it is in your hands. Here's to your success and the exciting money-making adventures that lie ahead.